Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying two essentials: your Apple ID credentials and that the iPhone is powered and online. Sign in to iCloud. Com or open Find My on another Apple device. This is how you send the remote command. Once signed in, locate the device in the Devices list and select it. This reveals the lost mode status and the available actions. Make sure to stay logged in. You'll need continuous access while you issue the command and confirm response from the iPhone. You now perform the key actions to remove lost mode. From the device details, choose lost mode and then turn off lost mode. If prompted, enter the phone's passcode to authenticate locally. This instantly clears the lock. If you're using iCloud and the phone is offline, cue the command. It executes as soon as the iPhone reconnects. While waiting, change your Apple ID password if you suspect compromise, because it prevents unauthorized reactivation and protects your account during the reconnection interval. Finish by confirming the device shows as unlocked in Find My, then restart the iPhone to clear any residual alerts. Make sure you sign back into Apple services where needed and update passwords plus two-factor authentication settings to prevent repeat issues. If lost mode won't disable because the phone is offline or you forgot the Apple ID, initiate account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. That step resolves credential lockouts. One key tip: keep serial or IMEI handy. Apple may require it to verify ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.